I'm John with Davis Heating and Air, and we're getting ready to take a look at this heat pump here. So I'm just getting ready to hook up my refrigerant gauges. So this is an inverter system, so there's not a whole lot to check as far as the electrical, but we're going to check our voltages and our amp draws out here. So up next, we're going to take the panel off the unit here and get everything good and clean. Because throughout the year, it'll get a bunch of debris stuck in our coil here. Yeah, so we just finished up cleaning our coils out here, and we checked our refrigerant pressures, and they were looking good. We looked over all of our electrical, and everything was in good shape today.